All right, we back once again. Alphatrend. This little indicator right here is a fairly new one. It's already super popular, but actually I don't know if it's new. I just know that I found it under the Tradingview community scripts. It was one of the trending ones at one point. You can see there's a bunch of them that are trending. I kind of like to go through these and see which ones are cool. Like I'll add that one on there, see what these are all about, because I haven't seen those yet. There's Supertrend B, I haven't seen what that is yet. So people are always creating new ones and throwing them up there. So I'll go through and mess around with these while I'm going to bed. And anyways, I found this super interesting one with Alphatrend. I just think this thing is just so good, especially with the Heikin-Ashi candles. It finds trends super good. Now, the trick with this, obviously, it's giving you the buys and sells, and that's basically just what I think that it is more like a super trend in a way. I just like the way it looks. I just like the way it just makes sense to my brain. But I think it's really cool. I think you guys test it out. Let me know what you think about it. I haven't messed with any of the settings. You know, I like to honestly, I trade this on a 15-minute. And I don't trade Tesla with it. I usually just kind of trade, like you can see, I'm trading futures with it. It seems though lately been working really well. In a trending market, you're going to get chopped up like you would with any kind of trend indicator. You're going to get chopped up if you try to trade it, you know, in a sideways market. But what's cool is it actually it gives you an idea of when sideways is sort of happening. That's when this indicator goes flat like this. I've noticed that. When it's flat like that, I think it takes into account a volume calculation. You can see change calculated, no volume data, so it's taking into account volume. So I like that fact about it. This isn't a like a blind, you know, buy sell type of trading indicator, but it is something that I think is useful in you know, just helping you make a better decision. And that's sort of the goal. Just trying to make, so I'm long here as this started to flatten out, and I found some supports down here. That is why I'm long. We're in kind of a longer term trend. Doesn't mean it can't keep going lower. I just personally don't think it's going to continue. So I started, you know, buying micro Russell, so it's not a huge deal. But I started buying just one here just to see how it acts. But that's just because, like I said, I was watching this trend kind of turn. We're at a support here. We've got some green Heikin-Ashis forming. So what I've noticed is that, you know, this is actually going to be a level in the future. So what I've been doing is just going like that. You know, that'll be a level to think about, to look at, and you can kind of see how that was acted as support. Our next level up would probably be this level here. And so I've actually got an idea that this is probably going back to 1900 tomorrow. So there's my targets to the upside. Just using the Alphatrend. I started videos with super trends, and now we're messing around with Alphatrends. I think it's a cool indicator. You can go check it out. Just go type Alphatrend in Tradingview in the indicator search bar, and there it is right there. See what you think. Let me know what you think in the description. Peace.